Session ended on the 10th. I think on the 6th or 7th of August, the letter had gone to the Komunidad and I had got a copy. So they have taken a resolution and they have replied to the Department of Art and Culture. Komunidad has already taken a resolution and they have put some terms and conditions there. So now either the department accepts those terms or they make some changes. And then they can start the work officially. Because this project is pending for
on priorities of us.
See, a lot of people of Mapsa are saying we'll do it here, but then here the problem is land ownership is the problem. I am not getting one owner. 12-15 जण owner आहे बारीक ते शेतान मागीर परत कायदो जाता म्हणसर to convert agricultural land for non-agricultural use. There are many other complications for that, and I think that is a good location. I am fully supporting whether it is the municipality or the PWD or whichever department has to do the removal of the illegal encroachments on the government land or on the road widening. Because till we don't put these things in order, I cannot, public cannot expect progress from us. It goes both ways. There is something, when you do something good, there is some inconvenience that has to be. It is just like how underground cabling, we have had steady supply of power this monsoon. It is come because the roads are dug up. The same way when we do something big there, it's part of progress is inconvenience. We can all see smart city, the inconvenience that it has caused people. Whatever may be the situation today, they have done it in a hurry. That is why whatever issues are. I don't believe in doing things in a hurry. I believe in doing things properly, so that there is no long-term inconvenience caused by people. Maybe one monsoon we will have trouble. Lokang tras zatale, but I assure Mapshekars, I assure all of you all from the press, you all can grill me after that. Not a problem. And I will be open to taking criticism.
So that Puncheri is a suitable area for Ravindra Bhavan, you are saying?
See, any area that is has access of the highway is the best ideal location. There is no congestion of internal roads. There is no traffic congestion there. So highway will and bitor sollo. कार्यक्रम पहिले बाहेर सरलो लोकांक त्रास
service lane is hardly 3 meters, not even 3 meters.
That is what I am talking about. Encroachments has to be taken care of. I have been personally visited that particular site at least 10 to 12 times, and I have been pressing Honorable Minister for PWD. Though the project comes under national highways, there are some issues that are there. Service roads is something that state government has to take into account. Even whatever existing roads are there is not enough for the city of Mapsa. Karasoda Junction is a nightmare. I am very upset with how that situation is. But I cannot keep complaining. We have to find a solution for that. We have to find a long-term solution for that. I have spoken specifically on this in the assembly during the demands की आमका थंय आता जर इतले जाता मोपाचे सगळे 100 फ्लायटी चालू जाले की थंय आनी हालत कितें जातली आमका म्हापशेकारांक त्रास all the people from Bicholi, all the people from Thiri, everybody is going to use that road, whether it is from Anjuna or Shiolim or wherever in Bardesh. Everybody has to pass through Mapsa. And for that we have to be ready with the infrastructure. In near Green Park the roads are wider. The same is expected in all 3 junctions in Mapsa constituency. Whether it is border of Aldana and all, I am not sitting with that small ups and downs. I consider Mapsa, we have to work to ensure that it is a seamless process for people to come in and exit the city of Mapsa.
Any update on that realignment of Karaswara Junction, especially the underpass?
So that is what I have mentioned to Honorable Minister. Either it is a state highway issue where it connects Mapsa to Bicholi or Mapsa to Walpur. So that junction has to be taken up on priority because we cannot continue this in that road in the next 2 years. It is not going to be possible. So realignment, they have to adjust or how they have to do it. The department has to come with a very serious plan to ensure that that issue is solved. लोकांक हे दिसता की म्हाका हे पडलेले ना म्हणत आनी जितले यंगस्टर्स आसा जे कोणे मतां मारले म्हाका तिंकाय अपेक्षा आसा हांव कितें तरी करतलो पण करतलो ते सगळ्यांचो सपोर्ट जाय करपा खातीर. I appeal to all the people from Karaswara, please help us. Let us all work together. Let us give the best infrastructure to the citizens of Mapsa as well as all the visitors. भितर येता भायर वयता त्या लोकांकूय आमकां एक बरी फेसिलिटी दिवया सो दॅट आर इकॉनॉमी गोज.